everybody, welcome to Dr. Yu Explains, videos designed to demystify and uncomplicate, to explain things in a way that everybody can understand. Now, what are sinuses and why in the world would we want to rinse them? Well, it turns out that human teenagers and human adults all have holes in the bones of our faces. Just like this lava rock here, okay, our bones have holes in them. But some of those holes can get quite big, like this geode. So these are our sinuses. The sinuses that we have are the maxillary sinuses and the frontal sinuses. All sorts of stuff can get clogged up in here, like pollen or dust or bacteria or viruses or even the goop, the inflammatory goop that we form in reaction to these things. That's why there's these conditions called allergic sinusitis. So we rinse them in order to get rid of this stuff. So you take your Neomed bottle or whatever bottle that you do have, okay? And first we're gonna just rinse it out to make sure that we get everything nice and clean. Now we're gonna actually put this in the microwave to sterilize. Not too long, maybe 30 seconds should be enough. Now while we're waiting, I want to point out something else. You might see other products such as this one. This one are these nasal mists that proclaim to shoot up mists of saline into your sinuses, but really this is not that good. Mists don't really penetrate your entire sinuses, and what you really want to do is to make sure to get your entire sinuses rinsed out. And mists don't really do that, so don't be tricked. So now we're good. So be careful when you're taking this out. It's very, very hot, okay? You can see the steam in here telling us that all the little bacteria and fungi and all the little bugs in there are killed. So there we go, we can now fill it. So we take one of these pre-filled saline salt packages, okay? And then some pre-boiled water that's cooled down to room temperature. All we're gonna do is we're gonna mix it up. And it's important to use pre-boiled water, or you can buy the sterile distilled water. Distilled meaning there's no other solutes or salts inside before you mix in this pre-filled salt package, okay? And what we're gonna do is we're just gonna fill the bottle. Now, it comes in a pre-filled salt package because we wanna get the concentration of the salt solution exactly right. If the concentration is too high or too low, then it's gonna burn your mucous membranes when you're rinsing your sinuses. So we fill it up right up to this line, okay? And there we go. Make sure we give it a nice rinse. Now you gotta make sure that also, see the very bottom, there might be some salts that are not dissolved. We did this pretty well, so the salt's very well dissolved. And just make sure that it's a gentle snug fit. Take a big breath in, and then gently squirt. So as you can see, the fluid from the bottle goes up one nostril, and it goes up throughout the sinuses of the face, and then comes out the other nostril. You want to squirt gently so you don't disrupt the mucous membranes in the nose. And now you repeat with the other nostril. You see, this is the rate at which you want to move, you want to proceed with this. And then just be careful at the bottom, you don't want to be squirting air into your sinuses. So we're done. But what you want to do now is you want to, because you got sinuses everywhere, you got sinuses here, here, here. You want to make sure to get it all out. So what you want to do is you want to tilt your head in a multiplicity of different directions to be able to get it out. And there you have it. That's how you rinse your sinuses so that your geodes can be nice and clean. So if you like this video, please click like and hit subscribe for more.